When conditions are tough, performance is non-negotiable. Nitoflor PU600 and PU200 work together as a complete polyurethane cement flooring system built for extreme temperatures and aggressive chemical exposure, delivering excellent chemical resistance, thermal shock performance, and long-term durability at any scale. Before application begins, ensure a sound, properly prepared substrate with all materials, equipment, and labour are ready. This system has a short pot life and cures quickly. Performance starts with preparation. Contaminants, weak concrete, and poor preparation will compromise bond and durability. Ensure floors, edges, and anchor grooves are properly prepared. Priming is not always required, but on very porous substrates, it's critical. PU600 forms the structural, load-bearing layer of the system, doing the heavy lifting where the floor works hardest. Mixing is critical. Ensure all components are properly prepared before mixing thoroughly as supplied. Never split or re-proportion packs. Apply Nitoflor PU600 within 10 to 30 degrees Celsius and apply immediately after mixing. Select thickness to suit the application. Refer to the TDS. Late spike rolling can cause surface texture and defects. Allow Nitoflor PU600 to cure overnight, ensuring a hard surface ready for the next stage. In hygienic environments, detailing matters. Coving eliminates sharp corners and improves cleanability in HACCP-controlled areas. PU200 forms the protective seal coat of the system, sealing the surface and locking in long-term durability and hygiene. Most issues occur during mixing. Follow the same steps every time, ensuring each component is mixed thoroughly for the required time. Before applying, make sure to check the surface and remove any loose anti-slip grain or contaminants. Apply evenly to fully seal the surface, ensuring any aggregate remains exposed and the coating is not overfilled. After the final PU200 seal coat, allow the complete Nitoflor PU600 and PU200 system to cure in accordance with site conditions. Fast access without compromising durability. When conditions are tough, performance matters.